If you're just starting out in Forex, you probably asked yourself, how can I practice without putting real money at risk? The answer lies in an essential tool, the demo account. I'm Chad with Zero Markets, and today we're going to talk about how to open one, how to use it, and how a demo account can accelerate your learning in the market. Let's go. Before diving headfirst into the currency market, it's crucial to have a safe environment to learn and test strategies. That's where the demo account comes in. It's a simulator that mirrors real market conditions, but with virtual money. It may sound simple, but it can make the difference between starting trading with confidence or getting lost in your first steps. It works just like a real trading account. You access live charts, you place trades, use indicators, and follow market volatility. The only difference is that your capital is virtual, meaning you don't risk your own money. The first step is choosing a reliable broker. Always look for regulated companies with strong reviews that provide access to a wide range of financial instruments. In practice, all you need to do is go to the broker's website, fill out a quick form, and that's it. You'll have access to your demo account. Here at Zero Markets, the process is quick, free, and simple. You can set up your account on MetaTrader 5 in just minutes. Want to know how to use a demo account to evolve as a trader? Here's how. Test different indicators like moving averages, RSI, and Fibonacci. Understand the impact of news. Watch how economic announcements move currency pairs. Train risk strategies. Experiment with stop loss and take profit levels to see what fits your trading style. Build discipline. Treat the demo account like a training ground, but approach every trade as if it were real money. Stay sharp. Keep in mind these recommended practices when using your demo account. Avoid being overly aggressive just because the money is virtual. Build and test a consistent strategy. Work on your risk management before moving into a live account. The demo account is the perfect starting point for any beginner trader. It's where you build confidence, you learn how the markets work, and discover your trading style without risking real capital. Use it as a laboratory. Practice, test, and only then take the next step.